And here we are at the Ibis Styles. We are doing a very late check-in, probably about 3 in the morning already, and these are rooms 7008. Well, got lucky we were able to get a suite room. That's the living room, and this is the room good for actually 3 people. Well, it's really a big space for just the 2 of us now, and this is just the lowest category of Accor, the Ibis Styles. It's time for coffee here at the Ibis, but first, ang dami nilang binigay na fruits. Oh, look at that. At syempre, meron silang letter from the management na welcoming us. Oh, wow, anong gagawin ko sa protest na yan? Kung breakfast na yan, Berna, may mga fruits. Wow, ganda rin pala ng swimming pool dito. Kahit Ibis lang, oh. Ah, ganda. Okay, so dalawa pala swimming pool niya, oh. One on the right and one on the left. May kiddie pool pa. Nice. Wow, it's really a very huge pool, huh? Outdoors, nice ambience. And you can enjoy your breakfast while swimming. And this is the breakfast area. Berna's already reserved. Oh yeah, sige, dyan na lang tayo. Late na tayo nag-breakfast. Buti, may abutan pa tayong food. Okay, so we always have a brunch. Late breakfast na. Kanya, it's sabay na, breakfast and lunch at the same time. Kanyang salad bar, oh. Para kang ano, ayan, oh. Para ka nasa farm, kukuha ka ng vegetables, oh. Okay, ha? Okay ang gimmick nila. Para ka nasa farm, Berna. Ginugupit mo talaga? Ha? Ginugupit mo talaga, no? Galing, ha? Ganda ng kanilang gimmick dito. Okay, time for me to eat. Getting lots of vegetables for me to eat kasi malambot ang vegetables. I have 4 scrambled eggs. Me and Berna. Okay. My favorite meal, scrambled eggs. Don't overcook it. That's it. Not overcooked. All right. Thank you. Decided to take some salad. It looks yummy, huh? And me, I have some parang small fish, fried laksa, and then curry with fish and scrambled eggs. And ayun, syempre, pork and beans with fruits. We have the view of the swimming pool while having our breakfast. Let's enjoy it, Mama Berna. Tetarik dito sa Malaysia. Yan ang coffee. Tetarik. Wala silang fixed lounge. Nice. Uy, ang sarap ng smell dito sa lounge nila. And it's big. For an Ibis Styles, this is excellent. So there, that's the lobby. At the back of those mirror. Uy, meron pa palang ano rito. There's going to be music here at night. Very nice. Ayan, for entertainment purposes. It's really nice, huh? Everything's one story. It's a sprawling area. Look at that. With a very, very nice bar. And Berna is checking whether she can have her drinks here at the lounge. It's not an executive lounge. Everybody can come here and enjoy. And it's overlooking the pool area. Berna, let's chill out for a while. Magino ba? Chill out lang tayo sandali, oh. Oh. Okay. Chill out lang tayo sandali. Ganda rin, no? Ayan. Sayang wala yung mga ating mga apo. Sila Evan, wala rito. They can enjoy this place. At si Dylan. Lounge. This is their lobby where we registered last night. It's quite a big lobby, and it's only an Ibis Styles. We checked in and we were so tired. We arrived here at about 3 a.m. already. Imagine, kita mo yung departure and arrival. Maganda tong lobby niya. Everything is surrounded by glass. Siguro parang ano niya, kids club. Tama, meron siyang kids corner. I-enjoy na yung mga bata dyan. Huge lobby of IB Styles. Considering that this is just IB Style, it's very, very nice. So next time I come back to Malaysia, I'll stay here again because it's very near the airport. And that's Berna asking for a way to get to the city. That area there, that's where we had our breakfast. And here, ang ganda rin, no? Ganda mag-upo-upo lang dito, Berna. Chill out ka lang. Itong ginawa nila dito, parang meron silang parang Japanese area. Look at that, oh. Ganda. Besides, it's high ceiling, oh. And they even put trees as if you're outdoors. Like what I said, everything is sprawling, just one story. That's the breakfast area, and if you go out here, it's already the swimming pool. Everything looks nice, huh? Nice to just relax, and it's very near the airport. From the swimming pool, let's check out this gym area. Wow, maganda rin tong gym niya, ha? High ceiling at magginaw. Ganda rin, ha? Considering, nakahabang nag-gym ka, nakikita yung swimming pool, oh. Ayan, happy na ako dyan sa treadmill. Basta may treadmill, okay na ako dyan. Going back to the room na katabi lang namin yung swimming pool. Yan ang mga rooms niya, oh. One story lang lahat. Okay, so let's check out the spa. Tingnan natin kung IB Style, baka medyo mas mura-mura. Let nature heal. Oo nga naman. Check out the rates of the spa. Oh, they have a very nice lounge. Look at this. While waiting. Check out the prices, Berna.
Yeah.
So I can put, oh, okay. So it's averaging about $50, About $50. Okay. Thank you. The spa is just a few steps away from us. Swimming pool. And ito, our room. Para siyang classroom. Parang corridors in a school. But anyway, it's still a nice ambience here, the IB Styles.